Okay, and on the final safety tip I'm gonna give you guys, there's a guy online, you can go and watch a lot of his stuff on his page. He's good. I see a lot of other older guys, they bring his name up too. We all love you, Citizen Cycle, because you do your work, man. This guy breaks it down. He puts a lot of work into these bikes. He tears them apart, he rebuilds them. He's built one of his very own. I suggest out of all sites, you go to his and look at his page, Citizen Cycle, because that's the only other technical guy that's really breaking these things down and explaining things to you so you understand what you can get yourself into by messing with these things and not knowing what you're doing. That death wobble y'all are talking about, let me explain to you where death wobble's coming from. This tire is designed to operate at 20 pounds of pressure per square inch. It keeps it in round so it can make contact with the ground. And it also keeps the tire out so it keeps a more true round shape while it's at speed. When you deflate this thinking you know better than the tire company that made this tire, when you deflate it and run it 10 pounds light, not only do you eat your tire up twice as fast, you just created what that's what that is. You've got play in this tire now. So when you go into a curve, instead of your tire being true and round and it's now riding on this, it's moving. Your tire has sagged to the side and you're not making correct contact with the ground. If you don't think I know what I'm talking about, you talk to a race car driver or anyone in racing and they're going to explain to you how important tire pressure is. Stop running these tires halfway flat. It's dangerous, and if you hit a curve fast, that tire's going to sag on you and you're coming off of the bike at speed. And football players get concussions at like 20 miles an hour. So they just do some math. If you think your brain is harder than them and they have a helmet on, I've seen a lot of people out here no helmet. Just remember, when you lower that pressure, you wear your tires out twice as fast. Go on any tire site and you'll find that information I just gave you. A lot of folks are not giving out good information out here. Be safe. Don't go out here and think you're going to change these things and do craziness and be okay. These things can be dangerous if you're not running them right. You need this front tire at its right pressure, because I've taken this thing in the curves and it was just on these two beads right here. Had I had it too flat, it would have moved to the side. It would have slid out from me. Go to a motorcycle shop and ask them why you run it on its right pressure. You'll learn that these young people don't know what they're doing. They're dangerous, and they're gonna unalive themselves because they don't know what they're doing. Get you some experience before you get on something with power on it, because you can find yourself talking to your maker and explaining to him why you was doing dumb stuff that no one else was doing. There's a reason that they've already tested this and put the pressure on it that it should be performing at. You do not know better than they do. Trust me on that.